Well, check it out, people. I don't think that I've ever made a video on one of these. At least not in the junkyard. I don't think so. I have to go back and look. But anyhow, got ourselves a Ford Pinto. Wasn't this Lee Iacocca's car? It's a baby. Or his baby. From what I read. Like 3 million of these things were made. Ooh, look at that. Got some sport mirrors. Interesting. I prefer a whole complete long window there, but yeah, it's a 76. Saying it's brown. That thing looks more of a reddish color to me, though. This, you can tell it's still dented in. Bumper's got, I think, a couple of dents in it. Tail lights, decent. You ain't gonna make no money on that. Here's your spare. Got some GM hubcaps in here. Other odds and ends. That rust action, boy. Yeah, should have been sitting outside for a while, looks like it. Dented up on this side. I don't see. Oh, it used to be like white, I guess, huh? Well, the sport mirrors look to be in good shape at least. I mean, you can swap. I believe you can swap those into like a Maverick, maybe in a Mustang 2. Grill don't look bad. Hood is got some rust. I don't know if I see any dents in it. Bumper looks good. That fender looks good. Oh, that fender's not so bueno. Mercury had its what do they have? The Bobcat, right? Yeah. The Pinto. Wonder if these seats swap. I bet these seats swap into. You could swap it in, say a same deal, Maverick, maybe a Mustang. Is that mileage reading? $8,000. Wow. Didn't use it very much. Doubt that. Let me look underneath. It's been raining here in Texas, man. It's gotten really so it's like really muddy. This looks more like crud though than mud. For anybody gets it. Where I'm getting that from. Not too bad. I've seen worse. Yeah. Doors are shut though, bottom. I was hoping she'd be in a little better shape, but oh well, beggars can't be choosers, right? I gotta get that VIN. Where are we at here on this? Okay. Come on. Alright. I should have. Give me a second here. Let me put this. Okay. Little 4-cylinder. Hey, look. Ford was using GM stuff here. Expansion valve. Well, not the expansion valve so much, but the POA valve right there. GM had pretty much done away with it after like 73 on those. Power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. You know, what more can you ask? A little subcompact. Although, you know, they say this is subcompact, right? But to me, I mean, they don't look much smaller than a Maverick. I don't Looks like the Mavericks subcompact. Look at that. Right. There we go. Well, alright people, that's gonna do her. We're getting ready to close this yard. Not much else to say about her. Oh well, on to the next one.